Alright, this is Emily, and I am doing Lab 9. So for Lab 9, we had to choose between Scenario 1 and Scenario 2, and I decided to go with Scenario 2. Um, so some of the required fields were first name, last name, username, password. So the way I wanted to organize my database was I made a students table which contained the student ID, the first name, last name, username, password, date of birth, and status. And that was all of these requirements. And then I made a status table which held the information on, what the status ID meant. And then I made a teacher's table to hold the teacher ID and then the teacher name, which would then be used in the course table, which contains course ID, course name, abbreviation of the class, teacher, and semester. And I use those tables for and I have, obviously the student courses where it shows what their student ID, it shows the course that they're currently taking and what semester they're taking it in and what their current grade is. And then if you were to update this grade to say a 100, that activates through the trigger that we had to create. That activates this, and so it logs it down, and it records the old grade. So the trigger is on student courses where it's update before statement. And I have foreign keys throughout. I have a foreign key linking this to the student ID, and I have foreign keys linking this to the course. And in students, I have this linking to the status. And so final grades are stored as an integer between 0 and 100, so you would input the grade. And the grade activity is the table that grades tracks the grade activity. And if it's updated, the trigger should record the grade, class, student, and semester, which it does. And this is getting everything from, this is pulling from the students' courses table and so on and so forth. So yeah, that's Lab 9.